Hi, my name is Michael Paul Banyar, and I worked for a couple predominant companies, one in Pacific Northwest and one in Southern California. And one of my main jobs was working with MRSA. And the roles of MRSA was to interface all different menu facets of putting together programs commercially and also military, and interfacing with things like bad engineering, vendor work parts, sabotage, design, tooling, planning, you name it. And all these information bases were to be put together on this plane with the parts and so forth and make a final product. So the problem that we've come with the years of working in all these aerospace companies is that we had a hard time getting to interface with these companies in an expeditious manner to make sure that we could get things done in time. Like if planning made an engineering change and there was any kind of design changes, and we'd have to interface that to the vendor parts or down in the flow or detailed assembly or final assembly. There's a lot of time that was missed during that time to make sure that everything came together with the least amount of hassle. And it's like the domino effect. If one side didn't talk to the other side and they didn't catch up in time with the planning to engineering change and detail assembly or final assembly, you're holding up the line and interfacing, putting the parts together, and now you're causing a lot of rework to the engineering, a lot of rework to the parts. You're losing a lot of man hours. Not to mention, you're costing lots of millions of dollars to the company. That's most important, is putting together a product that's cost effective, time efficient, and it comes out safe without the least amount of hassle. So the things that we wish we really had in place was a tool called Guru, and basically it's going to help us interface all these different facets. So basically, in a nutshell, we'd be able to cut down the production time that was lost with all the interface time, chasing and running around trying to interface with all these different groups and companies, subcontractors and vendors. And had we had a product like Guru, we'd probably save millions and millions of dollars, be more cost effective, reduce our stress levels. And so this is something I wish we had in our manufacturing when we put commercial and military stuff together.